Hello dear student, we are studying General Science Physics and today's topic is propagation of error. How the error increases, today we will discuss. So propagation of error. This topic is from Unit and Measurement chapter and it belongs to error analysis. So in propagation of error, we will study two terms, addition of error and subtraction of error. How the error can add and subtract this. So today we will discuss. First we study about addition of error. In addition of error, let two physical quantity. Addition of error. In addition of error, let the two physical quantity A and B. Let add two physical quantity or two quantity. Let add two quantity A and B. When two quantity will add, then x equals to A plus B. Now error in A. So error in A will be del A. Then in same way error in B. So error in B equals to del B. Then if error in A and error in B is there, then error in X equals to del X and del X is equals to del A plus del B. Del X is equals to del A plus B and its result will be X plus del X. Its result will be X plus del X. This is the addition of error. In addition of error, one important point is error always added in addition or subtraction both terms. Error always added in addition or subtraction. In any cases of addition or subtraction, error always added. Now we take an example. Suppose two physical quantity and now we will add this. Let the first physical quantity 4 plus minus 0.2 and second one is 5 plus minus 0.3. So its true value will be, what is its true value? So its true value will be 4 and 5. In first one physical quantity, in first one true value is 4 and second one true value is 5. So its true value is, that is represent X is equals to 4 plus 5. X equals to 4 plus 5 equals to 9. It is true value. Now remaining term 0.2 and 0.3. So what is 0.2? Plus minus 0.2 and plus minus 0.3. It is, if we measure this value, if we measure the true value, so its maximum error will goes to 0.2 and if we measure the true value 5, then its maximum error will be 0.3 plus minus 0.3. So if we measure value is 4.2 or 3.8, that is 4.2 means error is 0.2 and 3.8 means minus 0.2. In same way 5.3 means plus 0.3 error and 4.7 means minus 0.3 error. So then error equals to plus 0.2 or minus 0.2, and for next term error is plus 0.3 and or minus 0.3, and it is called del x. 0.2 and 0.3 is a maximum error. The error will not cross this value, so it is maximum error for this value, and it is called del x. It is called del x. Now the result is x plus del x. So to find the result, now we add the measure value. So measured value is, we measured the 4.2 and 5.3. So take one value of measured value. So measured value equals to 4.2 plus 5.3 is equals to 9.5. It is measured value. Then error is 9.5 minus total error. Total error is 0.5. So 9.5 minus 9 is equals to 0.5. It is maximum error. 0.5 is maximum error. Then result will be 9 plus minus. Result is x plus del x. So 9 plus minus 0.5. It is the addition of error. Now we see the subtraction of error. How we calculate the subtraction of error? So for this subtraction, now we again take a two physical quantity x equals to a minus b. Here addition now, but here subtraction. So x equals to a minus b. Then del x equals to del a minus del b. In the same way of addition. So del x equals to del a minus del b. Then result will be same, x plus minus del x. In the point of one point in the error is important, that is, it is always you have to remember, error always added. So for this we take an example, 5 plus minus 0.3 and one physical quantity is 4 plus minus 0.2. Now we subtract this. So therefore x equals to a minus b, that is 4 minus 5 is equals to 1. It is true value. Same way del x equals to del x. What is del x? 0.3 and 0.2. So 0.3 plus 0.2. Then del x equals to 0.5. Because why will not subtract the error? Because error always added. Error always added in addition or subtraction. That is why we have to add this error. So del x equals to 0.3 plus 0.2 is equals to 0.5. Then result will be x plus minus del x equals to 1 plus minus 0.2. It is the value of subtraction of error. So this is today's topic, addition of error and subtraction of error, and this topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.